Now, where the knowledge is coming from? The knowledge of Kabbalah is very ancient, as the days of the universe, and or the days of mankind will be more accurate. Adam received that knowledge when he was chased out of the Garden of Eden, received the secrets of the universe, passed it on from generation to generation till around 2,000 years ago, a major book of Kabbalah was written, the Book of Splendor. Since then, we have hundreds, if not thousands, of books on Kabbalah in Hebrew that explain the Book of Splendor and explain other aspects of the knowledge of Kabbalah. When I'm teaching Kabbalah, I'm going through the mainstream of the knowledge of Kabbalah, the main books, that there are no arguments or no disputes upon those books. I'm not inventing the knowledge. It's not like receiving it and this is what I'm feeling about Kabbalah. This is the knowledge of Kabbalah. The only thing that I'm doing is to bring it in a language that me and you can talk about this and understand it.